Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 6 of chapter 4, Integers. Today we shall solve some problems from exercise 4.3. Let us solve question number 2 first. Evaluate number 1 within bracket minus 389 minus 216. We have to subtract 216 from minus 389. So here I can see that both the numbers are negative. So what was the rule? Rule number 2. I shall find the absolute values of 389 and 216 and put a minus sign before the sum of the two integers, as both the numbers are negative. So if I find the sum of absolute values of minus 389 and minus 216, I get 389 plus 216, which is equal to 605. As the numbers are negative, as the integers are negative, I have to put a negative sign before the sum 605. Question number 4. 380 minus within bracket minus 120 minus within bracket minus 65. So we have to subtract minus 120 and minus 65 from 380. So if we use the rule 2, it will be equal to 380 plus additive inverse of minus 120 plus additive inverse of minus 65. Additive inverse of minus 120 is 120 and additive inverse of minus 65 is 65. Therefore, 380 minus 120 minus 65 is equal to 380 plus 120 plus 65, which is equal to 565. Question number 4. What must be added to number 1? Minus 72 to get 45. It means what should be added to minus 72 to get 45? So the integer to be added to minus 72 to get 45 is 45 minus 72. So we have to find the additive inverse of minus 72, which is equal to 72. So 45 plus additive inverse of minus 72, which is 72, is equal to 45 plus 72 equal to 117. Question number 5. Subtract the successor of minus 27 from predecessor of minus 39. So successor of minus 27 is minus 27 plus 1. We have to add 1 to the given number to get the successor of the number. So if we add 1 to minus 27, we get minus 26. To get the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So here the given number is minus 39. To get the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from minus 39. So the predecessor of minus 39 is minus 39 minus 1, which is equal to minus 39 plus 1, which is equal to minus 40. Therefore, difference of minus 40 and minus 26 is minus 40 minus 26. Minus 26 is within bracket. So here both the numbers are negative. So we have to add the additive inverse of minus 26 to minus 40. So it is equal to minus 40 plus additive inverse of minus 26 is 26, which is equal to minus 40 minus 26 equal to minus 14. Question number 6. Konika's house is 160 meter to my left and Richa's house is 239 meter to my right. How far is Kanika's house from Richa's house? So I have given you a diagram. At the middle I have my home. In the right side of my home I have assumed to be positive, and to the left of my home I have assumed it to be negative. So 239 is positive and 165 is negative, because if right is assumed to be positive, left will be negative. So distance between my home and Konika's home is 160 meter to left. Left side is negative, so I have put one negative sign before 165 meter. Distance between my home and Richa's home is 239 meter to right. So 239 meter is positive. Therefore, distance between Konika's home and Richa's home will be 239 minus, within bracket, minus 165 meter. So it is equal to 239 meter plus additive inverse of minus 165. The additive inverse of minus 165 is 165. So it is 239 plus 165 is equal to 404 meter. Question number 7. Find the difference of heights between a place which is 18 meter above sea level and another place which is 13 meter below sea level. So to find the solution, I have drawn one diagram. You can see that 0 is assumed to be the sea level. Above 0 it is positive, and below 0 it is assumed to be negative. So I have to find the distance between 18 meter above sea level and 13 meter below sea level. So 18 meter above sea level is a positive integer. You have got it in your previous class. And below sea level the distance is assumed to be negative. So distance between 18 meter above sea level and 13 meter below sea level will be 18 meter minus 13 meter. So I can write it as 18 meter plus additive inverse of minus 13 meter, which is equal to 18 meter plus 13 meter equal to 31 meter. Question number 9. Find the value of the following. Number 2, 302 plus within bracket minus 89 plus minus 84 minus 2 plus 76. Separate the positive and negative integers first. We have positive integers 302 and 76. So I have separated the positive integers. Then I have separated the negative integers. Minus 89 plus minus 84 minus 2. So 302 plus 76 is 378. So I have to add the negative integers 89 and 84, then subtract minus 2. So 89 and 84 both are negative numbers, so sum of these two negative numbers will be minus 173. Then I have to subtract minus 2 from minus 173. I have written it within a box bracket. So it is 378 plus within bracket minus 173 plus additive inverse of minus 2, which is equal to 378 plus within bracket minus 171 equal to 378 minus 171 is equal to 207. Question number 10. The sum of two integers is minus 23. If one of the integers is 145, find the other. Solution: given one integer is 145 and 145 plus another integer is minus 23. These two expressions are given to us. So another integer will be minus 23 minus 145. The sum of the integers minus 145 will be the value of the other integer. So minus 23 minus 145, both the numbers are having negative sign before them. So what we have to do, we have to put a bracket before the sum of 23 and 145. So it is to be minus 168. Therefore, the another number is minus 168. So homework for you is from exercise 4.3, question number 2 and 3, question number 4, number 2, question number 8, question number 9, 1, question number 11 and question number 12. You submit the homework by tomorrow 6/10/2020, Tuesday. Solve the problems carefully, you have enough time. So this is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.